SCAD College of Engineering and Technology. The vision of the college is to provide excellent, inclusive engineering education with high values and to reach the unreached. And the mission is to create innovative and vibrant young minds to emerge as flourishing entrepreneurs in the society incongruous with righteous principles and ethical values, and to inculcate academic excellence with social relevance by enlightening them through a standard education, and to build an amiable nation with knowledge superpower, to transform lives by empowering the rural community and diverse ethnic groups through educational services. And the highlights are 50 plus rank holders, 20 plus value added courses, 30 plus MOUs signed, 650 plus placement offers, 55 plus companies visited. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and Civil Engineering. Cut-off marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 106 to 155, for BCM 88 to 150, for BC 91 to 148, for MBC 89 to 133, and for SC 93 to 111. The facilities are: the library is the soul of any institution. It is a center of acquiring, processing, preserving, and disseminating information to the user community with the motto of empowering knowledge. SCAD CET College Library has well-trained staff and well-managed library system to enrich the students' community with wide range of academic resources such as books, periodicals, online periodicals, databases, back volumes, CDs or DVDs, audio-video cassettes. Sports: the budding engineers of SCAD College of Engineering and Technology prove their stamina in sports arena too. They excel in sporting spirit to bring goodwill and understanding. Their team building skills make them great players in corporate sector too. The college has well planned and laid sports arena that includes football, hockey, basketball, badminton, cricket, athletic track, and swimming pool. Hostels: separate hostel facilities for boys and girls. The hostels are well furnished, airy, and have 24 hours backup and an RO plant for safe drinking water. The hostel has well planned dining facility as well as that serves vegetarian and non-vegetarian food for the students. The hostel provides accommodation and nutritious food for the needy students. The rooms are furnished with table, cot, chair, and fan. And the other facilities are canteen, internet, transport, and smart classrooms. The placement record for the year 2019-2020: 400 plus placement offers, 300 plus students placed, 30 plus on-campus drives, and the highest salary package is 3.8 lakhs per annum and the average is 1.8. And the companies recruited are Wipro, HCL, Infosys, TCS, Alsec, Dustdial, Quest Global, Quantia Technologies, Mindbox Private Limited, and many more. And the total number of students placed in 2019-2020 is 421. The result comparison from 2013 to 2018: in 2013 54 percentage, 52 percentage in 2014, 56 in 2015, 50 in 2016, 54 in 2017, and 48 in 2018. The college counseling code is 4969. Contact college at 914634261701 or 261731. The website is www.scadengineering.ac.in, and the college is located at Cheran Mahadevi, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu 627003, and the mail ID is info@scadengineering.ac.in.